So one of the ways to help ease your baby's discomfort is to freeze a washcloth and give it to them so they can chew on it. It numbs their gums and also feels really good as they bite down on it. The terry of the texture will massage their gums and it feels really nice. So how do you do it? You just take a regular washcloth, any one that you have, and you fold it into quarters. And then you're just going to kind of wrap it around so there's a little pointy tip on the end. And either put it under the faucet or soak it in some water so the end gets nice and wet and you can go down as far as you want. And then just go ahead and pop this into the freezer for about 30 minutes. I already have a frozen one that I just took out of the freezer, and you can see, it's hard to see freezing, but it's nice and hard and it's really cold, so it feels good, but it's not too cold. So what you'll do is you'll just give it to the baby, and if depending on your baby's age, you can hold it for them or let them hold it and they'll put it in their mouth. And usually they like to put it on the back of the gums, but if their front teeth are coming in, they'll probably want to hold it up front. You can hold it for the baby if they're not yet able to do it on their own, and put it in the front and rub it on their gums, let them bite down on it. Make sure you have a bib on because it probably will, as it starts to defrost, drip a little bit. But this is something that babies absolutely love.